Hello everyone, this is Shrayanshi and my today's topic is tools for iOS app development. Developing iOS application is not a tricky task anymore, and the market of iOS application increasing rapidly. Almost every organization wants a customized app that helps them grow their business. The demand for iOS developer increased a lot during the past year, and the iOS developer faced many problems during the development of application. So here we are going to talk about the tools which help you developing iOS application quickly with efficient way. So what are the tools that can be used for iOS app development? But some of these have been mentioned here. Xcode. Xcode is official IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment for Swift, which is developed by Apple. AppCode, CodeRunner, RX Swift, TestFlight, Applizer, Stack Overflow, Mockingbird, and many more. First one we have is Xcode. Xcode is an integrated development environment (IDE) for Mac OS, containing suites of software development tools developed by Apple for developing software for Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, Watch OS, and TV OS. First released in 2003, the latest stable release is version 10.3 and is available via the Mac App Store free of charge for Mac OS Mojave users. Registered developers can download preview releases and prior versions of the suite through the Apple development website. Xcode smoothly takes you from concept to code to customers. This tool is widely used by almost every iOS developer. It is fast and consistently smooth tool for iOS development. The Xcode IDE is at the center of the Apple development experience. Tightly integrated with the Cocoa and Cocoa Touch frameworks, Xcode is an incredibly productive environment for building apps for Mac, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Talking about some of the main tools that can be used for iOS app development, in which second one is AppCode, Smart IDE for iOS and Mac OS development. AppCode is an integrated development environment for Swift, Objective-C, C, C++, and JavaScript development built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA platform. The first public preview version of AppCode became available in April 2011. The latest stable release is shown next to stable release and is available at JetBrains' official website. You can use AppCode for the development of iPhone, Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. The key feature of AppCode is that it provides coding assistance and analyzes code and highlighting errors. It provides an intelligent development environment and proactive unit testing. Many languages and one IDE. Basically, it is a complete experience. Now, we will talk about CodeRunner. CodeRunner is a powerful framework for automating the running and data analysis of large codes and simulations, working anywhere from laptops to HPC clusters. CodeRunner is one of the famous, widely used IDE. It is easy to use, advanced, and highly flexible programming editor for iOS development. It supports 23 languages including Swift, Objective-C, and Objective-C++. CodeRunner is a lightweight, fast, and you can debug your code with your breakpoint. It has features like documentation sidebar, file navigator, TextMate syntaxes and themes, code templates, multiple selections, symbol navigator, one with arguments and input sets, highly configurable, software updates, etc. Now we will talk about RxSwift. RxSwift is one of the popular and most recommended library for asynchronous programming. It's a reactive programming library which is used to program dynamic apps that respond to data changes and user event. RxSwift is a framework for interacting with the Swift programming language, while RxCocoa is a framework that makes Cocoa APIs used in iOS and OS X easier to use with reactive techniques. The high-end iOS platform allows developers to write high-quality code for building most innovative mobile applications powering iPhones, iPads, and iPods. Primarily, iOS was intended for compact devices with small screens, and apps were created using C and C++ programming languages. As we have seen, iOS is by far the most popular and advanced mobile operating system developed by Apple. It is used across millions of iOS devices, iPhones, iPads, and iPods. Its high-end platform creates abundant possibilities for developers to build innovative mobile apps by writing high-quality codes. Although there are many other famous iOS application development tools out there, but the ones mentioned above are widely used by the iOS developers. This is the end of my topic. Thank you for watching my video.